In this video, I want to talk about how you can add keywords to a Shopify website. Now, this helps you rank organically. So the way that this works is you're gonna add some specific keywords to your website. So the first one is if you come here and you select your store, in here you want to click on pages or wherever you want to change it. And inside of pages, you would usually have your store pages. Now, I only have the contact one, so you don't really have to add keywords in that. But if it's your main page and stuff like that, you should definitely add the keywords. So I'll just use this one as an example. You want to click on it, and in here you can see all of your content. Also the title. So if your shop is about winter boots, you want to add some very specific keywords for the winter boots, like best winter boots or cheapest winter boots, or what else, the top 5 winter boots. If you add the text in here, whenever someone searches for that on Google and you have the exact thing that they search for, you're gonna come up. Now you can also come down here to search engine listing, click on edit, and then you can do a meta description. Now this one is also, you can just ask ChatGPT to make your meta description for your product, but you should also fill this one out, and you should also add the page title, which will be this one, and the URL. So just make sure to add some very specific keywords that you think people are gonna search for when they wanna look for your store. So that's basically how it works. After that, simply press save, and then it's done. Now, I don't really want to go too much into depth with SEO. You can just Google that or YouTube how to do proper SEO. But in short, it's mainly just adding the keywords that people are gonna search for. I really hope you enjoyed the short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.